we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of houscly handheld car vacuum cordless, mini hand vacuum cleaner, rechargeable, 12,000 PA, compressed air duster and air blower and pump. 3-in-1 with multi-nozzles. That's include multifunctional cordless car vacuum. Car vacuum is equipped with various nozzles that can support 3-mode, vacuum mode, dust blower mode, vacuum sealing mode. This versatile car vacuum cleaner is a must-have for keeping your vehicle clean and fresh at all times. 12,000 PA high power suction. A powerful brushless motor is installed in our wireless handheld car vacuum cleaner. It upgrades the suction power to 12,000 PA and effectively removes any dirt or debris, making all kinds of cleaning easy. Small size and portable, handheld design weighs only 0.66 pounds. Its lightweight construction allows effortless maneuverability around the house and car, making cleaning a breeze. Store it conveniently in the trunk or closet for quick access. 5000 mAh rechargeable battery. Get rid of the traditional bulky charger. Our handheld car vacuum cleaner can be easily charged anywhere with a USB port. With fast charging in less than 2 hours, it can run for 15 minutes. Reusable HEPA filter is washable and air-dried. Efficient cleaning leads to an elegant life. Buy a car vacuum cleaner now and enjoy it immediately. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.